Right, so I'm not liking this. You guys are probably screaming at me. Maybe not. I don't think so because I don't really think this is anything. So I really wanted to maybe try and get a cool skin on my new mat for some jewelry. So yeah, I haven't done this before. I don't even know if I can. Okay, so we'll go, I have to go somewhere because I'm gonna pour again, so I have to make sure it's somewhere that I'm not gonna mess up. Oh yeah. I don't know, that's kind of sweet. Cool. I'll try that again. I don't know if these are too thick, but I'm going to see if they dry. Oh, right over my toothpick. Yeah. Let's try and do a thinner one. Well, that's satisfying. Oh, okay. Let's try and do a thin one. So I guess faster. I don't even know if you guys could see that. This one's a bit dim, but still cool. Right, so that was satisfying. Okay, let me clean up. I'm going to try and keep those there in hopes that they dry nice and we can peel them off the mat tomorrow morning. So we're going to try a swipe on a round. Chunks. Oh no. Not my day. Okay. So, I don't know. I might just be having one of those should just pack it up kind of a nights. Okay, now okay. I'm gonna swipe with this. Came with the silicone mat. And hope for the best. Okay. Make sure I don't get that house paint over it. And I don't want to press too hard. And I don't know. I might just pack it up and call it a day. Sure, why not? We gotta tilt it anyway. Yeah, I definitely need to practice these rounds. They're not really my thing, but I love when people do the rounds. So I want them to be my thing because I want to make some. I don't think I should stretch it anymore because they're starting to get wiggly. Or I think this will be another scraped one. Yeah, no. It's not horrible, it's just... trying to see which way I like it to sit the best. I'm kind of thinking like that. Okay. Oh, yeah. Hey guys, so real quick, it's the next day. This piece here is still a little bit wet. I don't know. This is probably going to be, I'm going to dry it, let it dry all the way, and then maybe give it a light sand and then paint over it. But you can see there, that chunk, remember when I was pouring my pillow, and that chunk is right in there, right there. So, yes. But other than that, it wasn't too bad. Everything stayed put pretty colors there. So yeah. And then I wanted to show you guys the skins. These ones here, you can see the shine that one's still about halfway wet. It hasn't been a full 24 hours yet, so those ones were a bit thicker. And then remember the thinner one I did, that one is dry. So I'm gonna peel it, but first I wanted to show you guys and let you know that I got the Low Leave FE matte, silicone matte to pour on. And if you don't have one, if you'd like to get one, or just check out their other products, they have bottles, different size mats and everything like that. I do have a $5 off discount for anybody who gets this, the jumbo or the mega mat. So I will link all her information below. But yes, they're fabulous. I'm loving it. I'm loving the fact that I don't have to use newspaper or anything. And they're white. I know they look a bit gray, but they're actually white. And especially for your videos, they're just so much nicer looking than my old setup, or the one that I was using before. And the good thing about these is the paint, when it dries, everything just pops right off. So I just wanted to show you. So let me get, so we don't have a huge shadow. But here's this one here. So it's just, sorry, I'm doing this through the camera. So just, there's a little wet bit over there, but we don't worry about that. Oh, see, everything's just coming right off. Yep. Okay, so what I'll do with this now, as you can see, that just popped off, and then it's nice and clean and whatnot there. So what I'll do with this is make jewelry out of it. So exciting stuff. Okay, see, everything just pops. You can see these little, they just pop right off. Pop. So that's what I'll be doing. You can see it's kind of satisfying to me. I've been walking around with just peeling off the paint. Very satisfying. Even the really, really thin bits just come right off. So happy days. Anyway, so shout out to them because I'm super excited about the mat. And I will talk to you guys on the next video. Subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, all that jazz. Check my description for links and all that fun stuff. All right, guys, till next time. All right, bye.